Good evening everyone and welcome back to Innovators. Today I'm going to take Standard 10 SSC Board Lesson number 1 Linear Equations in 2 Variables Practice Set 1.2. This is on your textbook page number 8. So I'm going to start with the first sum. It says complete the table to solve the following simultaneous equation. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. Now graphically when it says, okay, so we have to make two boxes. We have to make two boxes for the two equations, right? So we're going to start now. The first equation is x plus y is equals to 3 and is in the textbook x की वैल्यू 3 दिया है, तो x की जगह मैं 3 डालूंगी. सो ये 3 यहाँ पे आने के बाद माइनस हो जाएगा. 3 minus 3 is 0. So when x is 3, y is 0. Again I have to do the same equation. This time I have given the value of y as 5. सो 3 ये 5 इधर जाएगा तो हो जाएगा -5 और 3 में से 5 जाएगा तो 2 हो जाएगा और बड़े नंबर की साइन हमको डालनी है. सो x विल बी -2. प्लीज म्यूट. थर्ड अगेन द सेम इक्वेशन. Now this time y is given as 3, so I am substituting y की जगह 3. ये 3 इधर जाएगा तो -3, so x हो गया 0. So fine, when this is the first equation of the first sum. Going on to the second equation. यहाँ पे भी देखो x minus y is equals to 4. y की वैल्यू 0 दिया है तो y की जगह आई एम गोइंग टू पुट 0. सो 4 ये 0 इधर जाके हो जाएगा +0. सो x विल बी 4. सो व्हेन y इज 0 x इज 4. अगेन यूजिंग द सेकेंड इक्वेशन. नाउ x की वैल्यू इज गिवन एज -1, तो x की जगह हमको -1 डालना है. सो -y इज इक्वल्स टू 4. ये -1 यहाँ जाके हो जाएगा +1. सो 4 + 1 is 5 और माइनस साइन यहाँ चले जाएगी. सो y विल बी -5. सो व्हेन x is -1, y is 5 और द थर्ड is already solved for us, so no need to solve it. I hope the first question is understood. Going on to the second equation. Second question. Second question says solve the simultaneous equations graphically and these are the two equations. So as I told you before the first sum कि आपको क्या करना है, हर equation के लिए graphically you have to make boxes. So here I am ready with the boxes so that I don't waste time in making them. In exam you have to prepare it on your own. I have also taken these numbers. These numbers I have taken on my own. This won't be provided for you in the examination. Okay. So I am solving this. X plus y is equals to 6. X की जगह मुझे 0 लेना है. So 0 plus y is equals to 6. Y is equals to 6. ये 0 इधर आके हो जाएगा -0. So y रहेगा 6. So when x is 0, y is 6. So the numbers are 0 and 6. Okay. Again I am writing the equation. I am putting x की value as 2 now. So 2 plus y is equals to 6. Y is equals to 6. 2 इधर आएगा तो हो जाएगा -2. 6 में से 2 गया. Y will be 4. Okay. Now third point हमको निकालना है. So पहले मैं ये second वाला लिख लेती हूँ. Again I have to write the equation and this time I am going to take x as 3. So 3 plus y is equals to 6. Y is equals to 6 minus 3. Y is equals to 3. So So when x is 3, y is also 3. So I'm putting as 3 as 3. Now the fourth point, I've written the equation. Now I'm taking x as 4. So y is equals to 6 minus 4, y will be 2. So when x is 4, y is 2. So I'm ready with the points for the first equation. Now same thing I have to do with the second equation. So second equation also box I have made it ready. Okay, you can try solving with me. Again I'm taking the second equation and putting the value for x as 0 and finding the value for y. So when x is 0, y is minus 4. Now I'm going to find out the second point, and by substituting x is equals to 1. ये 1 यहाँ आके हो जाएगा -1, 4 में से 1 गया 3, y will be -3. Okay, so when x is 1, y is -3. So x minus y is equals to 4. Now I have to substitute x as 4. So 4 minus y is equals to 4, minus y is equals to 4. ये 4 यहाँ पे ओके, -4. यस, बोलो. ओके, हाँ, 4 में से 4 गया 0, so y is 0. So when x is 4, y is 0, 4 comma 0 is the next point. X minus y is equals to 4 and we have to substitute x as 5. So 4, ये 5 इधर जाके हो जाएगा -5, -5 is equals to 4 minus 5 is -1, minus minus sign cancel, y is 1. So when x is 5, y is 1, 5 and 1. So now we have the points for the second equation also. So what we have to do, we have to take a graph paper, okay, and we have to draw like this x-axis and y-axis, and we have to keep in front the boxes that we have just plotted. Okay, we have got the points and now we are going to plot. Okay, so the first point I am going to make it colorful. Please don't try this in the SSC board because colors are not allowed. Fine, I am plotting it so that it is easier for you to understand. So the first equation I am plotting with blue color. First point for the first equation is 0 and 5. So the first point is 0. So first point हमेशा x axis पे होती है, तो 0 and y पे 6. So यहाँ आएगा, so 0,6. सेकेंड है 2, 4. सो x एक्सिस पे 2 और y एक्सिस पे हमको 4 जाना है. सो 2,4. नेक्स्ट 3, 3. x पे भी 3 एंड y पे भी 3. सो द पॉइंट इज 3,3. नेक्स्ट इज 4 and 2. x पे 4 एंड y पे 2. So 4,2. Now take a scale and you have to draw a line where all these 4 points are meeting. Okay, and you have to write the name of the equation x plus y is equals to 6. So this is my first equation. Now I am plotting the second equation. First is 0 on x-axis and -4 on the y-axis. So 0, -4. Second, 1 and -3. So 1 and -3. 4 and 0. So this point remains here, 4 and 0. Next is 5 and 1. So 5 and 1. So these are the 4 points for my second equation, and this is how I draw a line taking all my points into consideration. Okay, and this is the line for the second equation, and where the points are meeting, that is my answer. So what is my answer or solution? XY कहाँ मीट हो रहा है? 5 1 पे. So x is 5 and y is 1 is the solution for this graphical simultaneous equation. So if you solve this entirely like this, you get 4 marks. Did you understand? Harshal, you can take a screenshot, beta. Good. If you have not done, please take a screenshot. I'm going on question number 2. Okay. Now with me, you have to start for question number 2. So again, I have written the equation and I have prepared the table. Again, I'm telling you, this table won't be provided in the exam. You have to draw it on your own. So I'm going to start with the first equation, x plus y is equals to 5. First, I'm taking x as 0. So 0 plus y is equals to 5. Y will be 5 plus 0 or y will be 5. So when x is 0, y is 5. I have to find out the second point. So I'm writing the first equation again. And now I'm going to substitute x as 3. So y is equal to 5 minus 3. So y is equals to 2. So when x is 3, y is 2. So the points are 3, 2. So x plus y is equals to 5. I have to substitute x as 4. So y is equals to 5. 4 इधर आके हो जाएगा -4. Y will be 1. So 4, 1. And the last point, x as 5. So y will be 5. ये 5 इधर आके हो जाएगा -5. Y will be 0. So when x is 5, y is 0. 5, 0. So this was the 4 points for the first equation. Moving on to the second equation, which is x minus y is equals to 3. Again, I have taken these points. These points won't be given to you in exam. You have to take it on your own. x की जगह 1 लिखना है. ये 1 इधर आके -1 हो जाएगा. 3 में से 1 गया तो 2. ये माइनस साइन नंबर पे आ जाती है because alphabets are not negative. So when x is 1, y is -2. Okay. Yes, 2 साइड जाके माइनस हो जाएगा. y will be 1 और माइनस साइन भी इधर जाएगी. y will become -1. Very good, Ankit. Now the next is 3. You have to substitute x as 3. 3 minus y is equals to 3. हाँ, तो हम 0 को साइन नहीं देते, इसलिए 0 को 0 ही लिखेंगे. 3, 0. And the last point now. Yes. -2 minus sign gets cancelled. Y will be 2. So when x is 5, y is 2. So we have 5, 2. So now we have both the boxes ready. So please take your graph paper and we are going to start plotting. If you have not written, please take a screenshot. Done? Okay, now take your graph paper. We are going to do the second sum now. Again, I am using pens for you to show the difference between the two lines. You are not supposed to use pen, okay? I am starting plotting the first one. First point, it says 0 for x and 5 for y. So 0 for x, 5 for y. So 0, 5. 3, 2. So 3 for x and 2 for y. 3, 2. 4 and 1. 4 for x and 1 for y. 4, 1. And last is 5 and 0 जो यहीं पे रहेगा. Now take a scale and a pencil. Draw the straight line passing through all these 4 points. And please write the equation on the line. Okay. Now next, I am plotting the next equation, next points. 1 and minus 2. So 1 for x and minus 2 for y. तो y के लिए हमको नीचे जाना है. 1 minus 2. Second is 2 and minus 1. So 2 for x minus 1 for y. Next is 3 and 0. तो ये यहीं रहेगा. 3, 0. And next is 5 and 2. So यहाँ है 5, 2. Take a pencil and a scale. See all the blue points you have to join. Yes. Draw a straight line. Write the equation on the axis x minus y as 3. दोनों पॉइंट कहाँ पे मिले हैं लाइन? 4 और 1 पे. So what will be your answer? X, y, 1. Very good. Understood? Have you started plotting with me? If not, please take a screenshot. We'll go to the next third equation. Done? Chalo. We have to first solve the equation. Again, I've made the table ready for the third equation. Please mute yourself. Third equation is x plus y is equals to 0 and 2x minus y is equals to 9. So I have to first make the box for first equation. Yes, so we'll start. X plus y is equals to 0. Plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. So when x is minus 2, y is 2. Okay. So write the equation again. I am going to put x as 0. So 0 minus 0. So when x is 0, y is 5. ठीक है बेटा. अभी चल रहा है. Okay. X plus y is equals to 0. Now I put x as 2. So y will be 0 minus 2. Y will be minus 2. So 2 and minus 2. Now the last, I have to take x as 5. Yes, so when x is 5, y is minus 5. So I got all the points for my first equation. Now I'm going to find out for the second equation. इसके लिए भी मैंने boxes ready रखे हैं. So first I'm taking x as 0. So x की जगह मुझे 0 डालना है. 2 zeros are 0. So minus y is equal to 9. Y is equal to minus 9. 0 comma minus 9. 2x minus y is equal to 9. x की जगह 4 डालना है. 2 4s are 8. So y will be minus 1 only. अंकित माइनस इधर चले जाएगा. So 4 comma minus 1. 2x minus y is equals to 9. Now I'm taking x as 5. 5 2s are 10. Very good. Y will be 1. So 5 comma 1. And the last one, 2x minus y is equals to 9. I have to substitute x as 6. 2 6 are 12. 12 इधर जाके हो जाएगा minus 12. So this will be minus 3. Minus minus cancel हो जाएगा. x बनेगा, sorry, y बनेगा 3. So 6 comma 3. Now taking these tables into consideration, we have to draw the graph. So I am taking the graph. I have already made the x and the y axis ready. So first we are going to plot the first equation, and the box here it says minus 2 and 2. So x में minus 2 and y में 2. Minus 2 and 2. Yeah, sorry for the interruption. Next is 0 and 0. So 0 and 0 यहाँ होगा. Next is 2 and minus 2. 2 and minus 2. And last is 5 and minus 5. So take a pencil and a scale and draw the line passing through all these points. And you have to write the equation. What was the equation? X plus y is equals to 0. Done with the first line, we'll go to the second. First it says 0 and minus 9. So this is my first point. 0 and minus 9. Then 4 and minus 1. 4 I'm sorry, 0 and minus 9 will be here. X is 0 and y is minus 9. X is 4 and y is minus 1. Then x is 5 and y is 1. Then 6 and 3. Okay. Now I have to draw a line passing through these points. Yes, and I have to write the equation. What is the equation? 2x minus y is equals to 9. ये कहाँ मीट हो रहा है? x पे देखो 3 है और y है minus 3. Right? So answer will be x comma y 3 comma minus 3. So I've done with the third sum also. Are you with me? If you have done, it's okay. If you're not done, please take a screenshot. Please mute Ankit. Now we'll go on to the fourth sum. Here again I have made everything ready. So the first equation here is 3x minus y is equals to 2. Now I'm going to take x as minus 1 first, okay? So 3 into minus 1 minus y is equals to 2. 3 1s is 3. So minus y is equals to 2. ये यहाँ पे जाके हो जाएगा plus 3. तो 5. y minus sign इधर जाएगी. y will be minus 5. So 1 minus 1 minus 5 is the first points. Next, I have to put x as 0. 3 zeros are 0. So y will be minus 2. Next, we have to take x as 2. 3 2s are 6. Minus 2. First point is minus 1 and 1. So minus 1 and 1. Second point is 3 and 4. Next point is 7 and 7. Next point is 5 and 5.5. So taking all the points, you have to draw a straight line. So this is 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 7. Second points are minus 2 and minus 5. 0 and 0. 1 and 2.5. And 2 and 5. So draw a line. So the points where the line is meeting is 1 and 2.5. So that is the answer. So x, y, 1, 2.5. I hope you have understood this. Thank you. And keep watching. Do the sixth sum on your own. Take care. Hello, can you hear me? Yes. So 2 अभी ये 6 इधर जाके हो जाएगा -6. तो ये हो गया -4 minus minus cancel. Y is equals to 4. So when x is 2, y is 4. ओके, और ये वाला पॉइंट मैंने लिखा नहीं है तो मैं ये भी लिख देती हूँ. एंड लास्ट वी आर गोइंग टू टेक 1 not 5. ओके, so 3x minus y is equals to 2. So 3 into 1 minus y as 2. यहाँ पे 3 आएगा, माइनस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू -1, माइनस माइनस कैंसल, y is equal to 1. So x is 1, y is also 1. So we got the points for the first equation. Going on to the second equation, 0, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 2x minus y is equals to 3. So 0 minus y is equals to 3, minus y is equals to 3. So y will be minus 3. So when x is 0, y is minus 3. So 2x minus y is equals to 3. I am taking x as 2. 2 2s are 4 minus y. Minus 1. Minus minus cancel. Y will be 1. So when x is 2, y is 1. Hello, can you all see me? Hello, can you all see me? 2x minus y is equals to 3. Now x as 3, 2 3s are 6, minus y is equals to 3, minus y is equals to 3, 6 इधर आएगा minus 6, minus y is equals to minus 3, minus minus cancel, y is 3. So when x is 3, y is also 3. 2x minus y is equals to 3, x की जगह 4 लिखना है. 2 4s are 8. So 3 minus 8 minus 5, minus minus gets cancelled, y is 5. So quickly take your graph paper. We have both the points ready. Are you with me? We are doing the fourth sum now. Chalo, first we'll plot the points for the first one. First is -1 minus 5. X पे -1, y पे -5. So -1 minus 5. 0 and -2. X is 0, y is -2. So 0 minus 2. Next is 1 and 1. X is 1, y is 1, 1 and 1. Next is 2 and 4. X is 2, y is 4, 2 and 4. Take a scale and a pencil. Draw the line passing through all the 4 points. Okay. So this is 3x minus y is equals to 2. Now I am drawing the second equation. 0 and -3, 0 and -3, 2 and 1, x is 2, y is 1, this is 2 and 1, then 3 and 3, x is 3, y is 3, 3 and 3, and next is 4 and 5, 4 and 5, x is 4, y is 5. So please draw the line. 1 2 3 4. We have to pass through all the 4 points, and this is the line. 2x minus y is equals to 3, and both are meeting at minus 1 minus 5. So the solution or the answer for this graphical equation minus 1 minus 5. I hope you have understood the fourth sum. The meeting will end soon. I'll try to finish up the fifth and the sixth, but if I can't, you can do it yourself for homework. You're done with this? Yes? Okay. We'll start with the fifth sum. Okay, now I have to take so we'll start with the fifth sum. 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 7. So I'm going to take x as minus 1 first. Minus 3 minus 4y is equals to minus 7 और ये plus 3 हो जाएगा. So minus 4 minus minus gets cancelled. 4 upon 4, 4 ones are, 4 ones are, y is 1. So when x is minus 1, y is 1. Next I am taking x as 3. 3 3s are 9. Minus 16 minus minus gets cancelled. 4 ones are, 4 fours are, y I are 4. So when x is 3, y is 4. Now I am taking x as 7. So what do I get? 21 minus 28 minus minus gets cancelled. I'm writing it here. Y is equal to 28 upon 4. 4 ones are, 4 sevens are, y is 7. So when x is 7, y is also 7. I have not space here, so I'm taking a bit of paper and showing you. 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 7, and I'm going to take it as 5. Okay, 3 5s are 15. Minus 22. Minus minus sign gets cancelled. 22 upon 4. I'm just doing the division here. 4 5s are 20. 0.0. 4 5s are 20. So y is 5.5. So when x is 5, y is 5.5. I hope you understood this. Next, we are going to do the second equation. Fine. So 5x minus 2y is equals to 0. First I am taking x as minus 2 is minus 10. यहाँ पे आके हो जाएगा plus 10. So y will be 10 upon minus 2. 2 1s are, 2 5s are, y will be minus 5. So when x is minus 2, y is minus 5. So now I am taking x as 0. So this term becomes 0. Y will be 0 on minus 2. Anything divided by 0 is 0. So y is also 0. Next, again, equation is this, and I'm taking x as 1. So find 2 1 is 5. So 2y is equals to 0 minus 5. Minus minus sign gets cancelled. 5 by 2. So I have to do 2 2s are 4.0. 5s are 10. So y is 2.5. So when x is 1, y is 2.5. And the last one, I'm taking x as 2. 10 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा -10. Minus minus sign gets cancelled. Y आया 5. So when x is 0, y is 5. So I have got all my points. So I'm going to start with the plotting. So take your graph paper. I have made already the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so first तो वही ना, नहीं हो रहा ना, वही तो बोल रही हूँ देखो कब से.